Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Oyo Ndoki's Kitchen. And on today's video, I'll be making this powerful alkaline fat burning juice. So guys, stay tuned to find out on the ingredients we'll be using today, and I do thank you for watching. So guys, these are the ingredients we'll be using for this powerful juice we are making today, and I'll be leaving the list in the description box. Don't forget to check them out. And I'm going to start the process by boiling our cinnamon. So I have 2 sticks of cinnamon here. We are going to put it in the kettle and boil for about 20 minutes. I'll be boiling the cinnamon sticks with 2 cups of water, and we are going to allow it to boil for 20 minutes. Our next ingredients will be turmeric and ginger. So I'm going to peel off the skin to avoid dirt or sand in the juice. We all know the importance of ginger and turmeric. They help to cleanse the system, they boost our metabolism, and as well as boost our immune system. Ginger and turmeric are so medicinal. They help get rid of inflammation, they help flush out the toxins in the system, helping us stay in shape and as well combat cold. We all know that when you clean from the inside, you totally get rid of all the toxins. So we'll be using 2 of them for this recipe. My next ingredient is orange, and I'll be using 1 orange for this recipe. Feel free to use more if you want. Orange, we all know, is a very powerful antioxidant. It helps with anti-inflammation, low in calories, an excellent source of vitamin C. Orange also helps to combat formation of free radicals that might cause cancer. We all know orange helps to maintain blood pressure and also helps with heart health. The next in my line of ingredients is grape. Grape is rich in nutrients, antioxidants, and fiber. It's really heavy antioxidant. Research shows that grape helps with weight loss and reduces the risk of heart disease. Grape helps to boost our immune system. It contains several vitamins and minerals known in preventing infections. Now we have lemon. So lemon, like we all know, helps support weight loss. It helps with digestion. Lemon helps to prevent kidney stone and also promote hydration. I'll be leaving the rest of the benefits in the description box. Don't forget to check that. And I have lime. Lime also helps with inflammation. It protects against infection, improves immune health, guides against stroke, prevent kidney stone. So guys, this citrus fruit we have here is very powerful. It's going to help cleanse our system, helps us with weight loss. My next ingredient is cinnamon. Remember, we are boiling it for 20 minutes. Cinnamon, we all know, has antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. It contains antioxidants with anti-inflammatory effect, improves gut health, lowers blood pressure, lowers blood sugar, and also helps with digestive discomfort. So guys, here I have with me the turmeric, ginger, and cucumber. Cucumber, like we all know, helps to boost our immune system. It helps us with our vision, helps to avoid constipation, and as well keeps us hydrated. Cucumber, we know, is a very medicinal plant, and I'll be using the juicer to extract all the juices from these vegetables. So right now I have all the ingredients ready. I have the mixture of cucumber, turmeric, and ginger. I have all the citrus in 1 cup, which is the grape, orange, lemon, and lime. And also in the kettle I have cinnamon. So next thing will be for me to sieve out all the fiber left in the citrus fruit we mixed together. So I want to make sure I don't have fiber in that. I just want to have a very clear juice. That's why I'm using a sieve to take them out. So guys, our juice is almost ready. So I have my cinnamon here. You can see the color looking very vibrant. It's loaded with minerals and vitamins. So I'm going to get everything in a large bowl. I have cinnamon and all the citrus fruit in this cup, and the next one will be the cucumber, turmeric and ginger. So guys, the next thing will now be to mix the juice completely, and our juice is ready. I tell you, this is one powerful juice that you need to have in your fridge. 1 glass in the morning, 1 glass before you go to bed. It helps to prevent diseases, help us to lose weight, take off the excess fat in the belly, and also trim down our Christian mother arms, you know, the heavy arms. Guys, this is very, very good. Guys, I do thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the post notification bell to receive my videos whenever I post them. I do thank you guys. Stay well and be well. Bye bye.